Good evening and welcome back again, fellows, into the meeting. Yeah. So we're gonna start from the dollar index. Okay, here is the dollar index. All right. So dollar index is doing what we were anticipating. All right. You guys can see that we were anticipating that dollar index gonna rise from the weekly trend line. Okay, so this is the bigger structure. We can see prices running to the up into the uptrend. Okay, this is the trend. You all guys can see that this is the uptrend. Okay, we were anticipating price gonna retest this trend line and gonna bounce back to the upside. Okay, and last week we were anticipating this move. Okay, this way we were anticipating this wave. All right, so if you guys remember that, we were anticipating this wave. Okay, because we can see it over there, price was forming a reversal channel. Yeah, and lower time frame we were anticipating short-term move to the downside within that triangle, and that short-term move can come up to this place. All right, can come up to this place. All right, so just 1 minute with just 1 second with me, guys. I missed the okay, so we can see price was forming channel and we were anticipating this move. Okay, this move. Okay, so price opened with the gap and started to rise to the upside from testing the bottom trend line. Okay, this bottom trend line and this bottom trend line, so did not hit the weekly trend line. Okay, so running within the in the bigger triangle. All right, so this is the trade setup which has just left over there, or the potential just left over there. Yeah, so we only gonna buy for this much once we will see that price has completed the continuation pattern over there. Yeah, so you're gonna apply the same technique, the technique we have discussed before that. All right, we can see over there price is forming continuation pattern. Okay, forming continuation pattern. All right, and that continuation pattern can continue to the upside. All right, so risk taking entry or breakout entry may work, can work over there. Okay, so try to buy based on risk taking entry, so that you can manage your risk reward over there. All right, so keep in mind you are buying within the pattern. Okay, the way we were anticipating has just begun and running within the pattern, so risk is there buying within that pattern. Okay, so risk is there because you are buying here. All right, so buying only gonna be for short term. If price not gonna break out, gonna reverse back within that triangle again. All right, so buying gonna be for short term. All right, so you are going to look for next week this wave. Yeah, price action here. If price stop here, we're gonna look for this wave once this move gonna complete itself. All right, so that is the dollar index. Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD has broken down. Okay, so if you guys remember that, we were anticipating that dollar index gonna rise and Euro USD gonna fall. All right, so we were anticipating dollar index gonna rise and Euro USD gonna fall. All right, so this is the Euro USD chart, Euro USD chart, and dollar index chart. Okay, so you can see, yeah, the wave is just going to complete itself. Okay, so you can see here as well the wave we were anticipating within that triangle is going about to complete. All right, so here on this chart on Euro USD, the trade setup gonna form is quite similar like dollar index. All right, on Euro USD, the trade setup gonna form is quite similar like dollar index. Okay, so you guys can see that like this. All right, so you can see expanding triangle is forming over there. So the previous pattern was channel and the previous pattern was flag. All right, so it's going to break out. Okay, It is very much possible that price not gonna reverse back, gonna come up to this place and going to continue to the downside. All right, this is the short-term trade to the downside. Okay, and if price change its formation, change this pattern formation, gonna turn back, gonna form another pattern like expanding triangle, just extend the ranges, then try to look for sell short-term here at this place to the downside for this much potential. Okay, once price gonna come close to this place, we're gonna look for continuation to the upside again. Okay, reversal back to the upside. All right, so we're gonna watch price action here at this place. If price do not break, hold this place. All right, hold this place. This is the trade setup we're gonna look for next week. Okay, we gonna look for this pattern formation. Okay, so all you guys can see that this is continuation pattern formation. Yeah, okay, impulse and prices forming trend continuation pattern. All right, so if price no gonna break down from this place, short term up, once gonna hit the top, that is the trade setup. Okay, for longer run, quite similar like the dollar index. Okay, so the trade setup for longer run we're gonna look for is to the downside. All right, so that is the trade setup we're gonna look for longer run. Okay, even beyond 1.0 or even 1.0. Yeah, so I'm anticipating that price, euro USD gonna fall below this area. Yeah, below 1.00. Okay, so it is very much possible because we can see it is forming trend continuation pattern. Yeah, impulse and forming a trend continuation pattern. Now testing this place, once gonna stop here, no gonna break down, we're gonna look for this place. All right, and once price gonna hit the top, we're gonna look for again continuation to the downside. Yeah, so the whole pattern is trend continuation to the downside. All right, so for short term, as I have explained, that price is just going to continue. So potential is going to be less over there because we are approaching at the reversal point. We are approaching at the reversal point. All right, so price can bounce back for the up wave or even can break down. So we're gonna watch this place. So those who are looking for short term, you need to look at the lower time frame. Price is just going to break, so be careful. You are looking for short term trade because we are just approaching the reversal point. It can extend these ranges. I mean, it can extend this pattern, some same like the euro yen. Okay, if you remember the euro yen, if so, then try to sell or based on risk taking entry, yeah, before the breakout to the downside. That is the euro USD, and USD Chief is quite similar like the dollar index. All right, if you guys remember that we were anticipating corrective up wave, yeah, corrective up wave like this, and then we were anticipating that price gonna break down for short term, and then we're gonna look for reversal to the upside, aggressive reversal to the upside. Yeah, we did not got we can see that price did not completed this corrective up move and start to rise from the bottom. Okay, so all you guys can see that once price was forming this impulse, it is not going to complete this corrective move. Yeah, it is going to reverse back to the upside. Yeah, so you can see over there clearly short term up trade is forming over there, going to continue. So just going to hit the reversal point, so quite similar like euro USD and dollar index. Okay, let me draw that for you. Yeah, is that good for, is it good, Srinda, is it good? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we are just approaching the reversal point. Either price can break out, quite similar like the dollar index, either going to reverse back within this pattern. Okay, so we'll see that either going to break or not. So we are approaching the reversal point. Thank you very much. So that is the USD Chief. So you guys know how to deal for short term and how to deal for medium term and how to deal for longer term. All right, so all you guys can see that continuation pattern formation, and again price is just forming a continuation pattern. Okay, and potential still left over there. All right, so remember, if you are going to buy here at this place, okay, so you are buying within the pattern. Price has already moved. The wave we were anticipating, price has already moved, completed that wave. Okay, so if you are going to buy it, potential gonna be less and risk gonna be high. All right, so let's look at from other point of view, or identify the other pattern formation. Okay, so which pattern is this, guys? Yeah, so this is basically reversal signal. Yeah, it is forming a reversal pattern over there, which means that we are approaching the reversal point. Okay, we are approaching the reversal point. It can further push, can form another, can push, and then can fall back to the downside aggressively. Okay, quite similar like the previous one. Okay, like the previous one. Impulse, continuation, impulse, did not form continuation, generated impulse, and going to continue into other direction, and same pattern forming is here. Okay, so we are approaching the reversal point. We're gonna look for price action at the top for bearish move. Okay, so all clear. Yeah, very easy, so you can identify this pattern. All right, so USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD just extending the ranges. We all can see that. Okay, it is not going to continue to the downside. All right, but we are still bearish on it. We are not looking for anything, something like this. Yeah, we are not looking for this wave. All right, so I'm still looking for bearish move or bearish wave, this wave. All right, this wave, I'm still looking for this wave. Okay, so I know a couple of you guys took a nice profit in this pair. Yeah, every time when price was hitting the top, you are selling and taking profit at the previous lows. Here at this place you are taking your profit. Okay, so we not gonna teach the strategy here, we're gonna use the same strategy here. Okay, if you are interested to buy for short term to the upside, of course you can buy. Okay, but risk is there. Trade buy setup from this place to the upside only gonna be for short term. All right, only gonna be for short term within that pattern for short term. But once price gonna hit the top, we're gonna look for sell here at this place. Okay, I have shared that image with you guys in the group when price was hitting the bottom. Okay, so if you remember, when price was hitting this place, forming this impulse at this place, I ask you to guys, if price keep forming this kind of pattern here, we are going to break down. All right, and if price no gonna form that pattern, gonna give you this kind of price action here at this place, you need to get out. Those who sold here, yeah, you need to get out, and then you need to look for price action here at this place again if price hit that place. All right, so we can see over there price is just struggling at this place. Yeah, not going to break out, showing some nice price action, nice bullish candles. Okay, which means that it is not going to break down. Okay, it can reverse back to the top again. If so, then you need to be into this trade from the upper channel line. Okay, okay, as long as price will stay within these ranges, you are selling. From the top you are selling. Okay, as long as price will remain in sideways, you are selling from this place. All right, and the way we are looking is this. Okay, we'll see the price action once price gonna come close to this place, if no gonna break this time. Okay, if no gonna break this time, I know some of you guys still holding for longer run, those who sold here. Yeah, and some of you guys took their profit. It's up to you. Okay, if you are looking to hold your trade for longer, it up to you. You can hold that for longer run. All right, so those who are not looking to hold their trade for longer run, or up to this place, you can close your trade within these ranges. Yeah, all right, so once price come to this place, we are seller again for this, and we're gonna watch price action here at this place, either going to break down or what, or going to extend the ranges again. All right, so we are not looking for this kind of move. Okay, we are not looking for this kind of move. The reason we can see price action over there, yeah, we can see price action over there, so we are not looking for that direction. The direction we are looking is this. Okay, so I'm still I'm still holding this trade. Yeah, I'm still holding USD CAD for longer run. My target is this. Okay, we'll see the price action once price gonna come close to the previous low. I'll see the price action, either I should close my trade or need to hold that trade for further downside or what. I'll see the price action. Okay, so that is my idea. The idea which I have shared over there still exist. I mean to say still valid. All right, this idea still valid. So nothing has changed. That's just price extending the ranges. Yeah, so just pattern is changing itself. Okay, so this idea still exists. Right, so just extending the ranges, we can see just pattern has changed itself. Before that we were looking flag breakout, we can see flag broken out, well, was not going to continue, and that flag is just going to change its formation, going to form a bigger correction or bigger pattern formation. Yeah, quite similar like the New Zealand dollar. Okay, quite similar like the New Zealand dollar, or you can say that quite similar like Uzi dollar. Okay, Uzi dollar is also developing the same formation. Okay, so New Zealand dollar. I just need to give you an example by showing you New Zealand dollar so you guys can get back the previous idea. Alright, so let's look at the New Zealand. Okay, so that is the formation, okay, which is going to be formed over there on USD CAD. Okay, so that is bigger daily flat channel. That is bigger daily flat channel. So that channel is developing over there on USD CAD. As long as price will stay within these ranges, you can buy sell for short term. Okay, but you all guys can see that price has formed this move, okay, over there, impulse over there. So the direction we are looking for this on USD CAD. So we are seller here at this place, we are seller here at this place. Okay, and we are doing exactly the same here on this pair. Okay, you guys can see that this pair is also developing the same formation. Okay, you can read that on lower time frame much clearly. Okay, so developing the formation, same formation on, okay, this formation. Okay, so we gonna be seller here. Once we gonna see prices just testing the top, showing some price action, not going to break out, we are seller. Yeah, this is the formation. Impulse is there. Now price is just building the trend continuation pattern. This is basically a bigger trend continuation pattern. Okay, not something like this. Okay, this is a bigger daily trend continuation pattern. It is very much possible that price no gonna test the top again and gonna continue to the downside. Okay, but by looking at the price action at this place, we can analyze that the bearish momentum is less strong. Yeah, and it can test the bottom and can get back to the top again. So we'll see that. All right, so we were anticipating short from the top. Okay, we were tracking this trend reversal channel when it was developing in last week. We were anticipating this up move. Okay, and we were anticipating price action here and continuation to the downside. All right, so we can see that price is doing exactly what we were anticipating. Okay, now we're gonna watch the price action at the bottom. So USD CAD is just developing quite similar pattern. Okay, so it's called daily flat channel or daily correction. All right, so all you guys can see that. Okay, so we are still looking for this wave. We'll see that once price gonna come close to the previous low. We'll see that either this trend line is going to break or what. Let's look at the next one, Uzi Chief. Okay, so all you guys remember that we were anticipating this up move. Okay, but we were anticipating quite similar like this. The difference is we were anticipating corrective up move. Okay, but move came aggressively, which is just creating little bit, you can say that, you know just you know saying to you that it is very much aggressive, so you need to be careful once price gonna hit to your trend line. Okay, it is just saying to you, because momentum to the upside, it is very much strong. You need to be careful. The difference between the impulse and correction is correction gonna continue with the previous trend. Okay, and impulse can set a new trend. All right, impulse can set a new trend, so we need further strong strength from this point, quite similar like this. Okay, that further bearish strength gonna confirm that price is going to continue to the downside. Yeah, as long as price will stay under that trend line, we are bearish. Okay, we are bearish. Let me bring back the idea first, what we were anticipating, so that we can recall that. We have spoken about this pair many times. Okay, that is the difference. We were anticipating this kind of price action. Okay, this kind of price action we were anticipating. Corrective trend continuation pattern, impulse, continuation pattern, and continuation. That is the trade we were looking for. But we can see impulse is just generating over there. Yeah. Okay, so that is the place where we need to pay attention. Either price is going to break out by forming a continuation pattern, or just going to give you another impulse to the downside. Okay, like this, quite similar like this. Okay, if so, we gonna get into the short. Okay, but for before the impulse, what we can do, we can identify the pattern formation. What kind of pattern formation is there on lower time frame? Either continuation or reversal. Okay, so that reversal pattern has broken down. All right, broken down, but you all guys can see that breakout wasn't aggressive. All right, so means that it is going to change the formation. Let's wait for the price to 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 form another pattern, and once price gonna give you a signal quite similar like that, you can get into the trade for short term. For short, you can get into the trade for short. All right, so it depends on you what kind of entry you are taking, for risk taking based on structure pattern, or based on the information which we use normally with the entry, or you are just waiting for the further confirmation like impulse. Okay, this kind of impulse gonna give you an indication price is going to get down. All right, so remember, we are at the weekly reversal point. Okay, we are at the weekly reversal point, top. Okay, so top quite similar like the CAD Chief. The CAD Chief were at the top, so we are looking for this wave. All right, so the whole move is corrective. Okay, so that is another chance. Those guys who are not there when price was just breaking that channel, and some of you guys took this wave, some of you guys was holding from the top and took nice profit. Okay, and this is another chance, guys. This is another chance for quite similar like this one. Okay, this way. All right, so be patient, pay attention on this pair, and this is the trade setup we're gonna look for the next week. Euro Oz is quite similar like that. Yeah, but I'm not interested on this pair. I'm more interested on Uzi Chief. Okay, Uzi USD, I have just explained that pair. We are at the key reversal point. This is the key reversal point. All right, key reversal point. Okay, we can see price is not breaking up, struggling. Okay, just getting rejection, now forming daily reversal pattern. Okay, let me just bring back an image so that you guys can understand what we were anticipating. Okay, this is basically, this is called pattern identification. If you are confident on your pattern, you're gonna get the formation before the pattern complete itself. Yeah, so you can get ready for the formation completion. Let me bring back the image so that I can show you. Okay, so must be in this folder. Okay, so price was forming a channel, a reversal channel. All right, so that's the this is the Uzi USD. All right, so all you guys can see that when this pattern completed itself, if you remember that, yeah, last week price was forming a wedge, yeah, descending wedge, and descending wedge was giving us an indication that price is just going to break into that direction. Okay, all right, but price broken out correctively, formed a continuation pattern. All right, and that continuation pattern can break to the downside, and broken down, tested the bottom and reverse back up to this place. Okay, and completed the pattern formation, we were anticipating. Okay, so that is the pattern formation which is just developing over there on bigger time frame. Now price is just coming close to this place. All right, so this this price behavior, guys, this price behavior was telling us that price not gonna continue to the downside. Okay, and those who can't identify this price behavior, okay, they don't know the direction which way price gonna go. Okay, so this price behavior was telling us that price not gonna continue to the downside. It is just going to form another pattern. Okay, and that other pattern may take couple of days to complete itself, and then price gonna continue to the downside. Okay, so price is just completing the channel. So we were seller here. Okay, and if price not gonna break down, test the top, depends on you guys. If you are interested to buy for short term to the upside, watch on lower time frame, buy for upside. Okay, once hit the top, we are seller again. Okay, quite similar like this. We'll see the breakout. If not gonna break out, we will close our trade. Right, so just completing the formation. That is the Uzi USD. All right, so Uzi CAD breaking down. All right, okay, Uzi CAD is just going to break down. So all guys were tracking that, we have seen impulse broken down. Okay, but do you guys think that price gonna continue to the downside the way it has just broken down? Guys, do you think that price gonna continue to the downside the way it has just broken down? I'm I mean to say, is this breakout aggressive? Is this breakout aggressive? Yeah, no, this breakout is not aggressive. Yeah, aggressive mean, is it quite similar like this one? Like, okay guys, let me know, is this aggressive breakout? Okay, is this aggressive breakout? Is this breakout aggressive? Yeah, no, this is not aggressive breakout. Aggressive breakout mean this is not look like this. Okay, this is not look like this. A corrective breakout. Okay, or you can say that breakout something like this. Okay, aggressive formed a continuation pattern but did not continue, right, and return into other direction, formed continuation to the upside. Okay, so the breakout we can see on lower time frame is corrective. Yeah, this breakout is corrective. This breakout is corrective. So some of you guys took trade at this place, some of you guys took this place, you did well. Yeah, and some of you guys even took trade for short term at this place. Perfect job. Yeah, so you guys are doing perfect job. So remember, it can form same pattern. Okay, same pattern mean it can form channel quite similar like this, or quite similar like Uzi USD. All right, Okay, so it can get back to the top again like this. I have spoken about this before as well. All right. Okay, so it can come close to the top again by testing the previous low. Okay, so the buy is for short term up to this place. All right, and those who are holding their trade, you don't need to be worried about your trade. You just need to stay in on break even. Yeah, those who sold here and those who sold here. Okay, so those who sold here, you need to think about your trade. You need to move on break even. If price going to continue, then it's all right. If price just reverse, then this is the place where we need to pay attention. Okay, if price form again similar pattern like this, so we are seller here and we gonna look for continuation to the downside. Yeah, so a lot of flat channel is just developing over around the pair. Yeah, a lot of pair like USD CAD developing the flat channel, Uzi CAD about to complete, and this pair may also form that channel. So we'll see that the flag has broken. Okay, flag has broken. Now we gonna see what a formation we're gonna see over there, either channel or what. Okay, or expanding triangle. So let's see. So those who sold from the top did well. Yeah, so stay in that trade. So a lot of potential is there. Yeah, so this is the trade, quite similar like the previous one. Okay, this is the trade setup we are looking for. Okay, so direction is to the downside. I have explained that pair, both ascending wedge. Okay, so this pair has changed the formation. The formation I was anticipating that price gonna give us some, you know, price action here at this place, and we're gonna look for to the downside. Okay, so we did not see any strong price action here at this place. Price has just broken out aggressively. Yeah, no, now we can see that has just changed the formation. Okay, now has changed this formation. All right, but still bearish. Okay, still bearish. We are still bearish on it. We have not seen any price action at the top here at this place. Okay, so I was anticipating price action here at this place, somewhere here. Yeah? Price aggressively broken out and just going to continue retest and going to continue. Okay, so this pair is very much, similar to the euro pound. Let me bring back that chart to you guys. Okay, this pair is quite similar like that pair. Okay, so chief pound. All right, so this is the chief pound, and this is the euro pound. Okay, so we can see similar formation over here, yeah, on both pairs. Okay, so this is the pound chief, this is the euro pound. Okay, so quite similar formation. Let me draw a structure here first on pound chief, so that you guys can get the idea what I'm trying to tell you, right? Okay, we're gonna deal both pair in same way. Okay, we're gonna deal both pair in same way. All right, so impulse, you guys can see that formed a triangle. Impulse, you guys can see that formed a triangle. Come on. Impulse formed a triangle. Impulse formed a triangle. Okay, So that is the euro pound. Okay, we were anticipating this way euro pound and going to complete it this place. Okay, you can see over there. Okay, now we are at reversal point here on euro pound. All right, we are at reversal point. We are watching price action. Either price is going to break down for this continuation, are going to reverse in that triangle for the upside. Okay, like your A, B, C, D, and E wave. Okay, if you are counting waves, so we're gonna look for E wave. All right, and we're gonna deal with the pound chief exactly in the same way. Okay, we're gonna look for price action at this place, and we're gonna look for this wave. Okay, E wave. All right, but currently reversal isn't there. Okay, currently reversal isn't there. The trend line I'm using, you guys can see that already have broken down. Okay, already broken down, but it can extend the ranges. Okay, so extend ranges means it can come up to this place and can turn back. All right, like this. So little bit extension gonna be over there of this triangle. Okay, so this is the wave we gonna look for on pound chief. Okay, or chief pound. All right, so we'll see the price action on lower time frame. Either price is going to give us any sign that price is going to reverse, something like this, like impulse. We'll see that currently there is nothing, it is just going to break, continue. Okay, so if we're gonna see any continuation sign on lower time frame like this, you can, of course you can sell. Okay, of course you can sell, right? And watch price action either going to break down or not. Right, for what you need to look for breakout, you need to look for breakout of this triangle. Okay, I'm giving you an example on this pair rather than on over there, yeah, so that you guys can understand. We can see price is just hitting the place. Okay, so the next step we need to do, we can see that pattern is going to complete here at this place. Okay, the next step is to watch the price action. Either price is going to break down this pattern or going to reverse, either going to break down for this continuation, for this next impulse, are going to reverse. That is the next step. Okay, if so, if you will see the continuation pattern on lower time frame here like this, okay, you can look for sell for short term to the downside. If price not gonna stop here, not gonna bounce back, or not gonna give you an impulsive sign, of course price gonna continue to the downside. Yeah, so this is the way we watch price action. Once price gonna hit the reversal point, okay, either price is going to form a reversal pattern or going to form a continuation pattern. If we will see the reversal pattern, it means price is going to hold this place. If going to form a continuation pattern, you will see the breakout of that place, a continuation. Okay, and if you will see the bounce back means price is just forming impulse at the reversal point. It is going to reverse aggressively. Not gonna give you enough time to get into the market. Okay, so all clear. How we gonna deal the pound chief? All right, clear, yeah. Thank you very much. Let's look at the next one. Next one is pound USD. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, so we are within this triangle. All right, let me draw the trend line first. Okay, we are in the triangle. All right, so what we were anticipating last week, we were anticipating that price gonna break down this trend line. Okay, this uptrend gonna break down. Okay, we have seen breakdown of that trend line, that corrective uptrend. Yeah, we have seen that corrective uptrend, but what we can see over there, price is just forming a continuation pattern on lower time frame. All right, let me look at the lower time frame, what we can see over there. Okay, so if you guys remember, we were looking for sell setup. at the top. Okay, we were anticipating price action at this place. Okay, anticipating price action at this place. Okay, we have seen price action over there. Yeah, continuation, impulse, short-term impulse, continuation, and broken down aggressively to the downside. Yeah, all right. So far so good. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so slightly extended the ranges. Yeah, this pattern, that ascending wedge extended the ranges. Now we can see on 4-hour time frame impulse and price is just developing the flag. Alright, price is just developing the flag. Okay, and that is the invalidation point. Okay, if that flag goes beyond that, our trade setup, okay, trade setup gonna be invalidated. Alright, we're not gonna look for sell. What we need to do, we need to wait for another impulse from the top, or we're gonna watch this formation, the whole formation. What kind of formation gonna be there once price gonna violate this place? We're gonna pay attention at that formation. Okay, and we'll analyze either that is the reversal formation or price going to form a continuation pattern to the upside. We'll see that, but currently we are in a perfect trade setup to the downside. Okay, we are in a perfect impulse and continuation trade setup to the downside. Yeah, for this wave. Okay, so this is the you can say that medium term trade within that triangle. Now what we can look for in short term, we can see price running within these ranges, or in this ascending channel or flag. Okay, impulse, price running within this channel. Okay, so as long as price will stay within these ranges, we are selling for medium term to the downside. We're gonna watch price action here. If price hold that place, we are out from the market for short term. Okay, and we're gonna look for price action at the top again. Okay, as long as price will stay within these ranges, you are seller from the top. Of course, you can buy for short term to the upside, those who are looking to buy, okay, within these ranges for short term, like for 15 minutes. So these are the ranges you can buy, sell within these ranges. Okay, but the trade setup for medium term, we are looking daily triangle completion, and we are anticipating price gonna break down this continuation pattern to the downside, and we're gonna look for further continuation to the downside. Okay, so that is the invalidation point. If price do not hold this place, goes beyond that, that is the place where you need to pay attention. Okay, so if price hold that place, do not break up, you can get into the market from this place based on your information. Okay, you guys know that which information we use, like your structure, your pattern, your indication. Yeah, we use that information. So we're gonna use that information at that place. If that information gonna help us that price is not going to break that place to the upside, we're gonna look for sell quite similar like this. Okay, okay, the way we have done here at this place. Okay, I mean to say, we will try to anticipate that again impulse gonna generate at this place quite similar like this. Okay, so we'll try to get that impulse before it appears over there. Okay, so that is the place, guys, you need to pay attention. Currently we can see at this place price is forming continuation pattern on lower time frame. Okay, let me show you that. Yeah, okay, price is forming continuation pattern. Okay, you can see that impulse form the continuation pattern at our reversal point. This is the reversal point, and just going to continue. All right, so aggressive price action is aggressive to the upside, which means that it can break up. You need to be prepared for that. All right, it can break up. Okay, and if do not break, gonna give you impulsive signal here, some impulsive signs. Of course you can look for downside. All right, so quite similar like the previous one. Here you can see there is nothing like continuation formation. Okay, there is nothing like continuation formation like this, right? You don't see any continuation pattern at that place. Okay, all right. So the continuation pattern was there, broken out, not showing you any sign for continuation. But here we can see it is forming a continuation pattern to the upside. Yeah. So wait for the price. If price hold that place and give you price action quite similar like this, then that is the short-term trade. Okay. So which trade we gonna look for here at this place? Anyone has idea about that? What kind of trade setup we are looking here at this place? What kind of trade setup? What kind of trade setup we are looking for here? Come on guys, I think you don't know. Just one answer is a perfect answer. Yeah, you guys all, some of you guys are confused. Yeah, some of you guys are doing well. Okay, you know what kind of trades we are looking for. Yeah, but some of you guys confused. Yeah, you need to go back to the stuff, understand that stuff, what kind of trade setup we are looking for. So some of you guys confused. Let me show you what kind of trade setup we are looking for. Okay, so guys, try to do some hard work, because that's not good. You don't know what kind of trade setup we are looking for. Okay, that's not good, guys. You need to be active. You need to tell me what kind of trade setup we are looking for here. I have explained that trade setup with so much details, but you guys still confused about that. This is the trade setup we are looking for. Okay, at this place. Impulse, we are looking this trade setup at this place. We are anticipating this wave. Alright? We are anticipating this wave. Okay, you can see that that pair is forming perfect pattern like this over there. Yeah, perfect pattern, perfect flag back to the impulse over there. Okay, so what kind of trades that we are looking for? Yeah, we are looking for entry based on trend continuation pattern. I have explained to you in last meeting, guys, what kind of trade setup, or okay, what kind of entries you can take over there. Let me bring back to that there. Okay, so that is the problem, guys. You need to understand what are the entry strategies we use. Okay, so that is the entry strategies. Okay, that is the entry strategy we use. Okay, and that strategy is one of them. Okay, the trade setup I'm showing you is a one of that. Yeah, risk taking entry. Okay, now those who are unclear about this, okay, those who don't understand, don't know what kind of trades that we are looking for, go back to the website, watch this. Okay, watch this entry strategies over there, what kind of trade setup I'm looking for. Watch this over there. Okay, so that you can get the idea what kind of trade setup I was talking about. All right. Okay, so we are looking for a risk taking entry. We can see that price is just respecting the reversal point, which we were anticipating. Okay, the reversal point which we were anticipating, that price gonna hold that is the reversal point. Okay, that is the reversal point. That is the reversal point. Okay, we were anticipating that price gonna stop here under this trend line. Yeah, watch price action for short. Price gonna stop here under this trend line, and once price gonna stop there under that trend line, we're gonna watch specific kind of price action over there, like either price is going to hold that place or not. Okay, if gonna hold that place, we're gonna look for sell. Okay, and that sell was based on indication and based on pattern completion and based on, you know, based on pattern, based on indications, and based on structure. Okay, early entry, which you can call that trying to catch the top. Okay, and the next one, impulse, both has gone. Impulse has gone, entry based on structure has gone. Now we are looking for risk taking entry, yeah, because pattern is developing over there. If I hold that place, that risk taking place, not gonna go to the upside, gonna hold that place. The next entry gonna come over there is a breakout entry. Okay, there are only two chances left. If price hold that place, that is the risk taking entry we are looking for, right? Within this continuation pattern, if price hold that place, we are looking for this move. Okay, if price no gonna hold that place, gonna violate the impulse, okay, then price gonna form new high, and we're gonna look for same price action again, which we have seen over here. Okay, so all clear what kind of trades that we are looking for here at this place. Okay, so next time please don't confuse. Okay, so those who are still confused about this, what kind of trades that we are looking for, go back to the website, watch the entry strategies over there. Yeah, what kind of trade setup is this? Okay, now let's move on to the pound CAD. Okay, so pound CAD is quite similar like that. All right, so if you guys remember that, broken down with strong impulse. Okay, now developing the same pattern. All right, so I'm looking for continuation to the downside. Yeah, so quite similar like the pound USD, it is forming continuation pattern to the downside. Okay, and we are looking for a risk taking entry, so no early entry guys, don't sell. Okay, don't sell just based on the information, like on lower time frame, like 5 minute and 1 minute. Okay, wait for the price at this place, wait for the price to give you a sign, something like this. Okay, like this. All right, that price is going to continue to the downside. Okay, I mean to say, a couple of candles, watch a couple of bearish candles, if appear over there, hold that place, then look for a sell. Okay, and if no gonna see that bearish candle over there, and you will see the loss of momentum on your indication, or strong divergence to the downside, of course you will see the loss of momentum, you're not gonna see the divergence on this time frame over there. Okay, then you can get into the market before that kind of price action. Okay, so impulse is strong over there, I'm still looking for short-term downside. Okay, we'll see that either going to continue to the downside or not. So the first target is this previous low. Okay, we'll see that. So impulse forming continuation pattern, that is the trades that we are looking for. Okay, for only for short term. We'll analyze this pair again for the longer run. Yeah, so it is just forming something like channel. Yeah, the channel I have shown you before this breakout. Okay, so it can form that. So forming that channel, we'll see that. So short-term trade setup, continuation of that channel. Yeah, pound New Zealand. Okay, some of you guys took profit. Some of you guys took profit here at this place. Yeah, this trade. Okay, now we are selling again at the top. Okay, so you all guys can see that how strong price action, how strong was price action there at this place. Okay, very much strong, very much strong. Okay, now we are looking to sell at the top again. Okay, so this pair hasn't changed much. This pair hasn't changed much. I have explained that pair in last meeting with so much detail. Okay, now we are testing the top again. Okay, some of you guys sold at the top, took profit. Okay, we will repeat that. Pay attention at the previous top. If price struggle, you can sell early. Okay, if price do not struggle here, just break out, pay attention at this place and look for sell. Okay, so that is the wave we are looking for. That is the wave. Okay, this is corrective uptrend will break very soon. Corrective ascending channel will break very soon. Not interested in pound Uzi at the moment. Okay, so that is the euro pound. Pay attention at this place, guys. Either going to break down or going to reverse. Okay, pay attention at this place. Either going to breakout or going to reverse. So this is the price action. So you all guys know that price is just okay, sure. Okay, so price is just holding this, just testing the place. All right, so that wave completed itself. So we are coming close to the reversal point. All right, so no early entry. We can see that price action is very much strong. No early entry. It can break down. You all guys can see that. Yeah, so price action is very much strong. Okay, so Rafael, are you there? Yeah, you are there. Okay, do you remember that what I was asking to you when this wave was coming? Do you remember that? Rafael, do you remember that what I was saying to you when this wave was forming? Rafael, Rafael, are you there? Okay, so I was saying to you, this is a corrective up wave. Soon we're gonna see breakdown, and once we're gonna see breakdown, we will see the wave to the downside. Okay, now we're gonna pay attention at this place, guys, that for this up move. Okay, so we're gonna watch price action at the lower trend line in the same way, the way we have seen here at this place. Okay, or in the same way, the way we have seen price action on the pound USD. Okay, we'll see the price action at this place. Currently, you all guys can see that impulsive and aggressive. Okay, so don't try to buy or don't try to sell. Okay, because it is just going to hit to your reversal point. Okay, so watch further signs. What we gonna see over there? Explain the USD Chief. Gold is just respecting the place. Okay, the place I have. Kapori, did you remember that? Okay, did you remember this? That is the place which I have asked you to guys pay attention. Okay, that channel broken down. All right, but you can see that breakout wasn't aggressive. Okay, that channel broken down. All right, we can see it is a reversal pattern. That channel broken down, but when we pay attention at this place, okay, yeah, this is corrective breakout. Okay, this is corrective breakout. It can test the top again. This area, it can test the top again, very much possible. Okay, you can see that it is quite similar, like the bigger continuation pattern, impulse and bigger continuation pattern. Yeah, like flag or descending channel. Okay, so it can test the top again. Once come close to the top, pay attention at the top again. So if hold that, this is the way we're gonna look for. Okay, so try to look for sell as much high as you can, right? Because currently we can see that there is nothing to which gonna give us indication that price is going to continue to the downside. Yeah, I mean to say this price action isn't good enough for continuation to the downside. Yeah, so let's wait for the price to test the top again. We're gonna watch price action for the entry based on indication and based on structure and pattern. All right, and we'll see the impulse if comes over there. Okay, so any other pair, guys, which I have not gone through? Okay, yeah, pound yen. All right, pound yen. So pound yen is quite similar like the pound Uzi dollar. Let me bring back that chart so that I can show you what pattern it is forming over there. Okay, so when this price was forming this pattern, what we were anticipating, let's see what we were anticipating. Okay, so all you guys can see that price was forming a reversal channel, right? Reversal channel. So you can say that this is a reversal channel or triangle. Okay, impulse and triangle and breakout. Okay, so we have seen breakout to the upside. Okay, nice breakout. Okay, we have seen nice breakout. So this is the trade we are looking here on pound yen. So this trade setup gonna be because of the yen pair. Okay, you guys can see that across the board yen pairs are forming corrective continuation pattern. Okay, corrective trend continuation pattern, bullish trend continuation pattern. Okay, so it is very much possible that yen gonna surprise in coming days. Yeah, yen pair is gonna surprise in coming days. Okay, yen gonna get weaker in coming days. Okay, so very much interested. This pay attention on this pair. Yeah, very much nice trade setup forming over there. Okay, let me draw the pattern formation again. All right, so impulse and triangle forming. We are looking for this way. Now it come to the entry. How we gonna look for entry? We are only interested to buy at the bottom. Okay, we are only interested to buy at the bottom at this place. We are not interested to buy here at this place based on any trend continuation pattern. If you are relying based on this impulse, I mean to say that you can see that price is forming this impulse. All right, and if price start to form a continuation here, then you're gonna look for a buy. Okay, I'm not interested to buy here at this place. Okay, I'm only interested to buy here at the lows. All right, let me show you why. Okay, so you can see here a breakdown will extend the descending channel but will remain trend continuation pattern. Try to buy as much low as you can so that you can manage your risk. So that is the reason we only gonna buy as much low as we can so that we can manage the risk. Okay, so you can see over there after this candle price came close to the bottom again and then started to rise. Okay, so you can read that on your lower time frame clearly. Okay, so there was the impulse, and then price came back to the bottom again and then started rise. So we're gonna deal this impulse again. We're gonna wait for the price to come close to the bottom again. We are interested to look for upside. Okay, so this kind of price action we are anticipating for short term to the downside on pound yen. Okay, let me make that chart much clear to you. Okay, so you guys understand. All right, very much possible that price going to continue to the upside, but my risk reward ratio going to get affected if I buy here at this place. Okay, my safe stop loss only going to be beyond this low, right, which is much bigger, and I'll only going to get 1 to 1, at least one, almost 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. Okay, so if I'll buy within these ranges, I mean to say if I will buy within these ranges, if I'll looking like this, yeah, if I'll buy somewhere here at this place and anticipating that price forming continuation pattern, impulse continuation pattern, and you're going to continue to the upside. Okay, but what if price no gonna goes beyond these ranges? Yeah, if price forms exactly same pattern and stop here at this place and gonna form this triangle, expanding triangle, impulse, and gonna form this expanding triangle. So what in this case? Yeah, if price stuck here and gonna drop down again and gonna form this triangle, expanding triangle. Yeah, impulse and triangle. All right, so in that case you may end up with losing trade, not interested to buy if continuation pattern appear there. I will watch price action at the previous low, then I will look for upside. Okay, you guys know that how we have dealt the euro USD. Okay, let me bring back that idea to you so that you can recall. Okay, because you guys forget everything very quickly. Okay, we have seen this pattern: impulse, continuation, and we have seen breakout. Yeah, so you guys did an amazing job at this place. You guys bought before the breakout. Okay, so we are dealing exactly same formation over there on pound yen. Yeah, okay, so it can break up before hitting the bottom. All right, so because it was so much corrective continuation pattern, this price action was showing that institutions are just getting into the market, or bankers, or big cats, they are just setting up for this direction. This price behavior and this price behavior was telling us. Okay, and on pound yen we are experiencing the same price behavior. Okay, same traders behavior. All right, so you guys can see that price completed that way. Okay, so that is that something like this we are looking on pound yen. We can see this kind of price action is forming over there. Okay, but the formation is on daily time frame, not on 240 time frame. This formation is on daily time frame, not on 240. Okay, so this price behavior is telling us, and this price behavior is telling us price gonna go into that way. Right, this is the future wave. So the best place to buy is the bottom rather than breakout. Okay, because if you're gonna buy breakout, you're not gonna manage your risk, as I have explained over there. Yeah, so managing risk gonna be, I mean to say, very much high chances gonna be over there for stop out if you are just buying within that pattern. So you guys can see that we are anticipating this as a target. Okay, and price has already moved like this, something like this. Okay, price has already moved, so you are only going to get this much. So buying within these ranges by putting tight stop loss just behind your pattern is risky. Yeah, so you need to understand that part. Okay, so USD. All right, so we have seen some price action at the bottom. Okay, but price action isn't aggressive. You guys can see that channel breaking out. Okay, so it can further fall and then gonna get continue to the upside. All right, so if you guys remember that what we have anticipated, let me get back to the idea what I was anticipating. I don't think so. I posted here. Maybe I posted in lower time frame. I think so. I have posted on lower time frame. Let me get back to that idea. Yeah, we are just going to finish. Yeah, because I can see that you guys are tired. I'm just going to finish. Let me just give you this example. Okay, this pair and euro yen, they are just setting up for the upside. So get ready for them. Okay, we have seen price action here. Okay, price is forming a reversal pattern. All right, and broken out. This is the way we were looking for, but we can see the way price has broken out. The way price has broken out is corrective. That is not impulsive. It means that it can fall back again to the bottom. So short-term trade setup may appear over there to the downside rather than continuation to the upside. Okay, let me get back to the. Okay, so I'm talking about this price behavior. This price behavior. All right. So this is corrective, and the whole move is aggressive. Okay, so it can fall back to the downside again. So what again? So one more move down to the downside is very much possible. Okay, so it is very much possible that price now gonna form this wave and going to continue to the upside the way gold has done. All right, okay, the way gold has done. So if you are looking to get into the market for the breakdown of this wave, then the place to sell isn't the breakout. Okay, it's not the breakout, so you guys need to pay attention here at this place. If price come up to that place or upper channel line like this, okay, then you need to look for short-term sell. Then you need to pay some attention for short-term sell. Okay, and that gonna be risky. Okay, because we are looking for a reversal on this pair at the bottom. Okay, if price come close to the upper channel line, pay some attention here at this place. Okay, like this. All right, and if price resist over there, gonna give you a corrective wave to the upside, not gonna break, continue to the upside, then you need to look for a downside. All right, breakout of this channel to the downside. Okay, so the breakout is corrective. We can see that on 4-hour time frame clearly. That is corrective uptrend. It can further fall back to the downside for this wave. All right, so we are looking for a continuation to the upside. Okay, for that continuation pattern. Right, we are looking for this move. All right, okay, so pay attention. You guys understand how to look at this pair. I want to go through the euro yen. Okay, we're gonna end here. We'll see the rest pair tomorrow. We are already late. Okay, so that broken down, that a trend continuation pattern formed another. Some of you guys took here, did well. Okay, so we're gonna pay attention at this place. Let's wait for the price to test this place. We're gonna pay attention for the upside. All right, that is the trade we're gonna look for next week. Okay, so far so good, guys. Any question? Okay, we'll see the price action either going to break down or going to reverse. Okay, we'll see the price action at this place. Any question, guys? Yeah, yeah, there is nothing, Robinson, there is nothing. We are not interested in that pair. That pair is not doing anything at the moment. Yeah, short-term upside is very much possible. Euro New Zealand dollar is short-term very much possible. Okay, but we'll see that. That pair is just hitting the place which I have shown you. You guys need to pay attention. Okay, we can see aggressive, very much aggressive. Okay, so yeah, strong impulse to the downside. Yeah, it can further push to the downside and can get back again to the top again, right? Because we can see that impulse is very much strong. So I'm not interested into this pair for the next week. We'll see that for the price action. Okay, but short term to the upside, right? But short term to the upside. Okay, which I have shown you in the previous image. All right, short term upside is very much possible, like this. All right, like this way. Okay, that is the pattern. We'll see that once we're gonna see some price action over there. Okay, but remember, it is in a bigger downtrend. Okay, bigger trend, longer term downtrend. Okay, so it can fall back again to the downside, something like this. So it is on reversal point, right? So it can fall back again to the bottom. All right, for this wave. So short term upside, be careful. All right, because it is in a bigger trend. So the descending channel can turn into a expanding triangle. We'll see that. I'm at the moment not interested into this pair. All right. Any other question, guys? Yeah. So the pair we have not finished in this meeting. We'll see that those pairs in tomorrow meeting. Okay, those guys who are not aware about the entry strategies, go back to the tech trading academy.com, watch entry strategies over there. Yeah, so you guys gonna get the idea how we gonna get into the market. All right. Sorry for being late, guys, and thank you very much for being with me. Have a nice upcoming week and enjoy yourself. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.